Hi, I am Colin Brown, and in this video we will be taking a look at the eye and its functions. What is the eye? The eye is an organ that detects light and sends signals along the optic nerve to the brain. In humans, the eye is a valuable sense organ that gives us the ability to see. It allows for light perception and vision, including the ability to differentiate between colors and depth. This is a quote from verywellhealth.com. What is the eye made up of, and what are the functions of each part? First, we have the cornea. The cornea is a tough, transparent layer that helps to focus light entering the eye. Next, the light passes through a chamber called the aqueous humor. At the back of this chamber is the iris. The iris is the color part of the eye. Now, in the middle of the iris, we have a small opening called the pupil. The iris controls the pupil with muscles that can adjust the amount of light that enters through the pupil. When it is in a darker setting, your pupil becomes larger. In a brighter setting, the whole of the pupil shrinks to let less light in. Next, there is the lens. The lens has small muscles that change its shape to adjust the focus of the eye to see objects that are either near or far more clearly. The lens then focuses the light into the retina, which is the inner part of the eye. Here, we have the photoreceptors that convert light energy into nerve impulses, which then get carried towards the brain. We have two photoreceptors in the retina called rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to light but only let us see black and white. Cones, however, are less sensitive to light but produce color vision. How we see things. Light enters through the cornea that filters to the iris. From here, the iris controls the size of the pupil, allowing a certain amount of light through towards the lens. The lens then shapes itself with muscles to adjust the focus of the objects. Next, the light goes to the retina where the rods and cones sharpen the image. Then it gets sent to the brain where it is processed. Now, we have some common diseases and negative conditions. Nearsighted. This is where people can see close objects clearly, but far objects are blurred. This happens when the eyeball grows too long or the cornea is too steeply curved. Farsighted is where people can see far objects clearly, but close objects are blurred. This happens if the eye is too short or the cornea is too flat. Next, we have cataracts. Cataracts is the clouding of the eye's natural lens. This can occur when aging or injury changes the tissue that makes up the eye's lens. This is very common. Now we have some fun facts about the eye. The eye remains the same size throughout its lifetime. About 80% of our learning happens through the eye. We are able to see 10 million different colors. And in the blink of an eye is referenced to the eye because it is the fastest moving muscle in the body. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.